screen, there's a Coach unboxing from the January 1st drop. So my little filming area is just my little desk, and I don't have enough space to fit this thing in here. So because of the size of the box, I know what this is. So give me just okay, guys. I had to I bumped into the phone trying to get this thing out the box, and I'm looking at this thing. This city tote. Now this is the regular city tote, and I'm thinking this feels small. This doesn't feel like the regular city tote that they normally have. So cherry medium city. No, this thing is small. I mean, I don't dislike it, but now I feel cheated. But I have a ton of Tote city totes, and now I can always be wrong, but you know, this is small, and I feel cheated, to be honest. I'm not gonna send it back because I really like it. It's super cute, but I'm conflicted. I really like it. It's super cute, but I'm irritated at the size because this is not the regular city tote. But anyway, I feel like this is a bait and switch. Now, I should have looked at the dimensions, but I know what a city tote is. You know? A ton of them. I'm irritated about that. I feel duped, to be honest. Maybe they did, maybe the word was already out that this was going to be, that this is the new size of their city totes or something. I don't know. But maybe the word medium should have told me that it was going to be smaller. I don't know. But I am upset, to be honest. But I like it too much to send it back. I really do. So there it is. It's super cute. I mean, it is cuter in person to me than it is online. I really, really like it. But I feel duped. There's no other way for me to explain it. That's what I feel like right now. Okay, so let's take this off. But it is factory wrapped, and I'm happy about that. Had I been in the store and saw it, I still would have picked it up. So, but I'm frustrated by that. Oh, and is it just me that got surprised about this, or did everybody else know that this was going to be smaller? Maybe the word medium. I just thought that because we call this the medium rowing, right? You got the mini, you got the large, and then you got the regular one. And so I thought that that's just what they were talking about, because I know there is a large city tote, and then you got the mini city tote. And so when they said medium, I thought they were just talking about the regular ones. But anyway, I think I'll probably even wear this today because I like it so much. I like it, but I'm frustrated, if that makes sense. So anyway, super cute. Y'all, am I wrong? Did everybody know that this was going to be smaller? Okay. So the zipper pull is brown. The inside is white. It looks like you're supposed to be able to reverse this. So yeah, that would be cute. Reversed. It really would. But then the pocket would be on the outside, which that might look weird, but it would be in the back up against your body. But anyway, it's super cute. I can't take that from it. I really like it. I'm just disappointed. But anyway, the size might even add to the cuteness. You know, if it was bigger, it may not be as cute. You know, so they probably know what they were doing. But and this is leather. It's not canvas. Because a lot of my city totes are canvas. So you know, getting over the disappointment, I'm trying to come around and be like, to appreciate her the way she is, and not what I thought I was getting. So anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. So that is what I've picked up from the drop so far. All right, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.